Welcome back, dear friends. First of all, we would go at here to apply some beautiful changes on the image. I have to raise this brightness, as you can see that now I would go on that stretch options and I would inflate some parts of the pictures as we could watch on the screen. And by using that options, you can see that these parts have been inflated of the image. It has been put it on it, and now we could apply some other changes on the photo. I would go on that beautiful bushes options which could be put it on our photo to make it so beautiful and awesome. Like here I have to apply that options on it, and then I could also apply that options on the image. So dear guys, after the application of it, I am going to apply that thing on it. And thanks